video clip published by the design company DPS revealed leaks about the design of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, which is expected to support a range of distinct technologies. So let's talk a little bit about the most important thing in the leaks. Samsung made a great effort to hide the information about its upcoming S22 Ultra phone until the date of its launch. The device comes in black, silver, gray, brown and titanium colors. Dimensions and structure of the device. The device comes with unique specifications, with a length of 165.1 millimeters, a thickness of 75.6 millimeters, and a weight of 227 grams. The side frame of the phone is made of aluminum with a glass back, Gorilla Glass. The device supports all available networks up to 5 grams, GPRS and Edge. Supports 2 Nano SIM cards. It comes with a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen, and the screen dimensions are 20.9. The screen refresh rate is 120 FPS. Samsung Exynos 2100 octa-core processor. Male G78 MP14 graphics processor. Random access memory 12 and 16 GB and internal memory up to 512 GB. Android 11 operating system and One UI 3.1 user interface. Camera. The phone comes with a miraculous camera, as it includes 4 rear cameras with accuracy, 108 megapixels main camera, 10 megapixel optical zoom, 10 megapixel optical zoom, 12 megapixels wide lens. Among its advantages is that it supports autofocus via phase detection PDFA and laser autofocus, and it also supports wide-angle imaging and zoom up to 100x. It supports all camera modes and video resolutions up to 8K. The selfie camera has a resolution of 40 megapixels, and the video resolution is up to 4K. The phone comes with a non-removable battery with a capacity of 5,000 mAh and supports fast charging of 25 watts and wireless charging of 4.5 watts. Disadvantages of the device. The phone does not support external memory. The phone does not come with a headphone jack. Phone price, $1,200 USD. We have reached the end of the video. If you like the video, tap the like button, and if you don't like it, tap the like button as well. Do not be stingy. Thanks to those who liked the video and subscribed to the channel.